Look at the picture. Write the words under the correct picture. Do activity A from your textbook. Pair word. Look at the picture. Write the words under the correct picture. 1. Heavy traffic. 2. Zebra crossing. 3. Traffic light. 4. No overtaking. 5. No horn. 6. Hospital. 7. School. 8. Intersection. Watch the animation, then talk about the road signs.
Language focus. Giving instructions. Verb. Do not, don't, plus verb. Drive carefully. Don't drive carelessly.
Remember, to give instruction, we start a sentence with a verb in the present form. To make an instruction negative, we start a sentence with do not plus verb in the present form. Look at the animations. Then fill in the blank with a verb or do not plus verb to complete the sentences. Words: follow, break, drive, run, use, blow, start. Click on the gaps. Follow traffic rules.
Do not break traffic laws. Always drive on the left side. Do not drive on the right side. Use foot-over bridge to cross any road. Do not run on a busy street. Follow traffic signs. Do not blow horn before a hospital or a school.
Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in the brackets. There is a hospital here. Don't use your horn. That sign means no overtaking. Don't overtake that car. There is a school here. Drive slowly. There is an intersection ahead. Be careful. The traffic signal is red. Don't go.